Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about my favorite SLG from Louis Vuitton. This unboxing video is actually from a few years ago because I purchased it a while back. And when I first bought it, I honestly had no idea how I'm going to use this for what. Because with mobile devices nowadays, I don't really need a planner. But eventually I finally figured it out and I wanted to share that with you. So if you see this here, I have some of my credit cards and some cash in the back pocket. And I have some, this is made in France, by the way, so I was really excited about that. And there are some photos of my favorite actor. And here's some notes and space to write down, jot down any memos, to-do list, or things like that. And in the back pocket, there's a couple other options. You could put receipts in there, important tickets, or different types of paper. But what really fits really well is a passport, actually. So if you are looking for a passport cover, this is a very good option because you could use it as a wallet at the same time, and you can also use it as your notebook and a little planner that goes with you everywhere because the size of it is so small. Additional ways to make it even more fun is to add more paper, add more fun little pieces into the agenda. And I bought this little punch from Amazon and it makes perfect holes for this pocket size agenda ring. As you can see here, I can size the paper to fit it exactly, but it doesn't have to be a perfect size. You could cut it smaller and it will fit just like that. And if you like decorating planners or, if you do paper crafting, you can add additional cute things like this paper doily just to make it fun. And the possibilities are endless. And you could see here, I'm squeezing this in here. You could put a little note reminder. You can use that also as a bookmark. So there it is. It's a little perfect travel note piece that has everything I need. Credit cards, some cash, some pictures. I normally put my family pictures in here too. But, your passport, and everything fits and everything is securely in place. So another way to make it even more versatile, as you can see here, is to use a chain. Now Louis Vuitton has these chains, but I bought mine from Amazon and it was very, very cheap. I think it was less than $20. And you can connect this right here in the ring. And right now you're probably thinking, don't be ridiculous, you can't use that as a bag. I agree, but it's actually not bad. I will show you a mod shot a little bit later. And because it's a chain inside a bag, you could actually adjust the length to your liking, kind of similar to a Chanel WOC. You can make it longer as a crossbody. You can make it shorter as a little shoulder piece. Or you can make it double chain to carry it by hand. So the versatility is endless. So if you're like me, you want to be able to utilize what you purchase. So this Agenda PM, if it stays home with you as a planner and you use it every day, I think that's great. Or some people I've seen use this as a wallet. I think that's also great. So I wouldn't normally carry this for chores or, going to the market or something. But if I'm traveling, it's really nice because you have your passport in there, all the essentials, and nothing will fall out. It's really securely in place. And it's also super easy to access your things. And you can see it fits perfectly as a crossbody. It might look a little bit weird, but I think it's convenient. And that's important to me. You could also wrap it around once like this, and then the chain becomes shorter and you could use it as a shoulder bag like this. Or if you want to experiment, you can make it into a super short crossbody, but this was very uncomfortable. I do not recommend this at all. Or you could double up the chains like this and make it into a little shoulder piece. Or a hand carry. That was also kind of uncomfortable, so I'd probably do a hand carry rather. So the current price of this PM Agenda in the US is $395, and that's about a price range for a small wallet. But instead, this piece can serve as a small bag, little travel piece, a planner if you like it that way, or a wallet on chain if you like. Or you could just put it inside a wallet on chain because it actually fits perfectly in a Chanel wallet. I just love the fact that Agenda PM is so tiny and it goes with you everywhere and it fits in the smallest bag. I hope this video was entertaining, and if you liked my content, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching.